whenever something is happened later on when he or she gains consciousness, they don't know what has happened to them. So it is very much used in parties for that purpose. So there are other date rape drugs like roofies and ketamine also, but this is the first time ever in Goa that we have found GHB. Okay.
So the arrest which was made, how long the lady was staying in Goa?
She has been staying here for quite some time now. You know, she has been coming and going. So since she has been staying here since 2013 or 14, I guess.
So 10 years.
Almost 10 years, yes.
And she was working for some group or she was individually working?
She was a freelancer. She is a DJ. She produces her songs and music, and she performs in small parties.
So prima facie, it is like she created her own network or something.
Prima facie, yeah. Can you please repeat the question?
So she created her own network in Goa, or are there any links?
We are investigating all the further links. So this is what we got. We arrested her. Now we are further investigating as to how she got this drug. You know, further links we are investigating. Yes.
So in Goa on what visa?
Tourist visa.
Return seat account.
Yes.
She was staying inside at a resident room. Was it rented premises and whether police verification was done?
It is a rented premise in Keri and Pernem area. So a proper tenant verification was also done. So she currently, from where we had picked her, she had just shifted to this place. So we are investigating as to how, where she was earlier staying, all those things.
So she has been doing this since 2013?
No. See, we got an information, we worked on that. So earlier than this, whether she was working into this and all, we have taken her custody for 2 days. So we will be interrogating her properly and we will find out whether she was earlier into this or not. So we are trying to make proper linkages in her.
Is it the first case against her or is there any case?
This is the first case against him.
ये रेड है भी पकड़ा है या टिप के बारे में?
इन्फॉर्मेशन थी हमारे पास, पूरा टेक्निकल और हमारे जो सोर्सेज थे उनसे इन्फॉर्मेशन के बाद फिर हमने इसके घर पर इसको पकड़ा।
उसका कोई एसोसिएट वगैरह कुछ है उसके साथ रहता है कि
नहीं, उसके पास अभी कुछ नहीं। एसोसिएट का अभी इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं, कुछ मिलेगा तो विल लेट यू नो।
थैंक यू।